Hey Real Dealers, this is Charles Blair, the Mad Scientist, and boy do I have a big announcement for you today. I call it my Drive to 10,000 Subscribers Big Fat Asset Giveaway. Now I'm going to give you guys the biggest bonus package I've ever given away. Period. Here's what I'm going to give you. I'm going to give you all of these big fat asset bonuses. You're going to get my Mad Scientist Rehab and Flip Analyzer. I'm going to give you my Mad Scientist Rent-to-Own Excel Calculator, my Mad Scientist Wholesale Deal Excel Calculator, my Mad Scientist Basic Loan Calculator, my Mad Scientist Income Lead Tracker, my Mad Scientist Marketing Analyzer, my REI Power Team Questionnaire Cheat Sheet. I'm giving you my Mad Scientist Credibility Kit, Mad Scientist Cold Calling Script, my 100K Playbook, my Mad Scientist SOP Black Book, my Chucky Buy Lucky Houses Seller Email Sequences, my Chucky Buys Assignment Contract, my Chucky Buys Podio Setup, my Chucky Buys Contractor Interview Sheet, and the sample of how to hire your virtual assistants. And you know what? I'm giving it to you for free. All you have to do is click on that link that's on this post somewhere and go to the website, follow the 3 simple steps, and you're going to get delivered to you for free 99. I have never given away this much documents, tools, and resources for free.